Hey everybody,
Hey guys.
we're the Nerds. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Stephanie.
And we're here today at Margaritaville Island Inn.
Yep.
It's the last Margaritaville property that we have not stayed at here in the Great Smoky Mountains area, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg. So we're looking forward to the stay here, and we're going to show you everything this hotel has to offer. Outside the check-in area now. I got some of the Christmas decorations still up. On the 7th floor, that second room over, above the people that are right there on the balcony, is our room. And right there is the island sign, so you can see where it is right here at the entrance of the island. Here's where you go into the hotel at. Got the cool compass right here. They do have some spots right here you can park parallel to drop off guests or luggage. You got a couple chairs right here from the island sign. Well, we just came into the hotel lobby. Got the beautiful Christmas tree still up. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake, strumming my 6-string. That's cool. And they have some cool merch in here. They got a whole sitting area out here. Normally there's a parrot in there, he's not out right now. Tables and everything. A whole nice lounge area in here. Hey Steph. Here we are in our room now, room 706. They got the cool little plaque on the wall here, the Woody station wagon car there with the little surfboard on top, 706. This is a king room with a balcony and the parkway view. So we've never had a parkway view. We stayed up in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg tons of times, and several times you can see the parkway off in the distance, but we've never been directly overlooking the parkway. So this is a first for us to actually just be right on top of the parkway. You come in, you got your little oar here. So there's a flood, you can paddle your way out, or you can hang your coats here. Around this side here, you have this nice full mirror here, barn door. Now most of the time they have like a separate door for a closet in the bathroom. This is cool, it just slides to both sides. So here's the closet here. And you got some extra blankets and stuff, probably for the couch bed up there, laundry bag, iron board, everything you need right there. Luggage racks behind our luggage. Then you just slide it over this way. And
Bathroom.
the bathroom now. And so coming in the bathroom here, you have plenty of space right here. All this little high top area right here to put stuff on, which is nice.
Me too. And one of my favorite things are these mirrors that go all. The light is so nice.
Yeah, it's very bright in here. Plenty of towels. I like this kind of blue, looks like wood.
I like these drawers. Yeah, the tiles nice. These actually pull out. I've never seen.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Bring me my toilet paper. Thank you. So yeah, nice area here. You got your amenities right here: shampoo, conditioner, and then you have your cosmetic towel, which we always like. And on this side here, you got the showers. There's a shower stall. I'm not sure if they have tubs here or not, but this one comes with the shower stall here. Looks like a pretty good size though.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then we're gonna walk back out in the room here and show you the rest of it. So never a good idea to walk backwards. How many times have I said that now?
How many times have you actually fallen?
So nice desk area here. Got a chair here. This is great for us, as you can pull out this extra area. You can eat on there if you wanted to. Put your laptop down, do some work if you need to. I'll be editing a video later probably here. You've probably seen these like, is this New Year's? Are you having a party? No, we're not. No party right now, but
they are from our New Year's party.
Yeah, they are from our New Year's party. And so mom and dad nerd and mom nerd on my side, got glasses for everybody. So we thought it'd be cool to send dad a picture every day for 2023. So Stephanie's been doing the picture every day. And dad nerd said, well, I don't think Stephanie's going to do it for a whole year. So you know us. Dad nerd's going to be getting a picture every day for a whole year. But it's been pretty cool because dad nerd has been sending pictures back with funny little pictures and little sayings. So it's been pretty cool. Margaritaville perks again. Got another keychain. Now we stayed in several actually all the Margaritaville properties. Island Inn.
Huh.
And so this is our last one we haven't stayed at before. Put all the ones down in the description below. We've done the hotel here, the Island Hotel behind us. This video here. We've done the one in Gatlinburg, the new camp Margaritaville. We actually just did the penthouse too over at the Island, main hotel Island one. So we'll put that video in the description below. And then our second perk this time was $15 credit for the gift shop, but includes drinks, food, whatever else is in the gift shop. So definitely before you book a Margaritaville property, check to make sure they participate in Margaritaville perks. I think most of them do. Free to join, there's no points, there's just instant perks every time you stay. Got our cool lanyard that I love every time, room 706. I love these lanyards, I'm a lanyard person. So you got a lamp there, 2 USBs, 2 plugs, phone coming apart, saved me. Plenty of space up here. And then you have a nice sized TV, 2 more USBs, 2 more plugs.
It's really high up there.
Yeah, it is. So you got plenty of places to plug things in at. You got plenty of drawers here. Safe is down below. I do love that this is a small thing, but Margaritaville probably always give you a couple bottles of water when you check in. So these are already in your room waiting for you. That's included. But ice bucket, couple bottles of water, microwave, fridge, you know, your typical dorm style fridge.
Yeah.
I think Cape Margaritaville wants stuff.
They have a parrot, or it says Margaritaville. Something
customized.
it's customized. Yeah, it's really cool. They don't have that here though.
Keurig, donut shut coffee, which is pretty good. So you have the coffees you need and everything. Turning around here, got your little couch right here. This pulls out to a couch bed. They said it's considered to be a third guest. So as you can see, it's a little bit smaller, maybe like that's a full or something. So maybe you can fit 2 kids on it, maybe 1 adult, but it does pull out. Lamp there, cool artwork on the wall. And then over here you got the bed. Changes in latitude, nothing but a breeze. So you got the cool bed here, king size. You got your little reading lights back here. The reading bed like Steph does. Got your little scone light on each side. Clock. It has our favorite clock again.
Oh yeah, it shows it on all sides.
Yeah, so it doesn't pull out as far, but yeah, actually it's unplugged it.
Use it. Oh,
there
stop breaking stuff.
So 3 sides, which is pretty cool for that. We got our friend the parrot here. So I love the artwork.
And of course,
Does it have the parrots too? Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
it
yeah.
has. Can you see them? Oh, it's so hard to show. They all have the parrots on their comforters, sheets.
And so right here, you get a window out to the balcony around the parkway. I'll be quiet for just a second. Hear the noise. Not that bad, really. You open the door, listen to the difference. Big difference. So
yeah, big difference.
You're still going to hear it, but it's not bad.
If you are into like rod runs, this would be a great hotel to stay at and just watch them all day.
Oh yeah, it would be. So you got under the balcony 2 chairs and a little table out here, and then right behind Stephanie is the divider. Oh. So you can watch this. I'm gonna peek through. You peek through to your little neighbors.
Little creeper. Stop creeping.
Nobody's over there. But and the ones you see across as a suite to your left. So if you see this one here, it's not fully across. It's some type of a suite room, they said. So it doesn't connect. So it's not all the balconies that are shared like ours have the full wall. So you're not going to actually be shared, but you can see your neighbors. So just a heads up on that. If you're looking for,
it's not 100% private.
Yeah. So just a heads up on that. And this is the 7th floor. The 7th floor room. And this is our view here. And it's our first time ever staying on top of the parkway like this.
Yeah, look at that mountain. I don't know if they can see. It snowed.
Oh yeah.
It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful.
And then I'll run you back to the room one last time. So balcony here. There's a view down that side there. And
it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's gotta be like the teens. And just nice colors, nice room. And this is our last Margaritaville property we have not stayed at here in this area. And pretty nice so far. So back to the bathroom and then back out here to the hallway. Just past the check-in desk, if your elevator is right there. You also have the workstations here and a printer if needed. And then head this way. Oh, there's some nice seating areas over here, a nice TV, a nice fireplace. Oh, just really nice over here. Cool artwork on the wall and everything. And a lime pillow. So here's the front desk there for point of reference, and here's the breakfast area right here. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily for breakfast. Then breakfast is included in your stay. And here's a look at the breakfast area. They have coffee. They said they have just your normal hot breakfast all included. So plenty of seats down here. We'll be down in the morning to check out the breakfast. We're in the Fins Up fitness room now. They got plenty of towels here, plenty of complimentary bottles of water for you, like the little medicine balls there, treadmills. I mean, everything you may need in here. It's good size. Full-length mirrors on the wall. Hey everybody, we just came into the indoor pool area. There's the restrooms here. You have a hot tub back here. You have plenty of seating all around. And a nice pool in here too. 5 feet deep on this end. We felt the water, it's about lukewarm, but this room in here is very hot, so you will not get cold. It's a nice little indoor pool in here. Pool towels over there for you as well. There's a look back at the pool. Here we are at the outdoor pool now. They got a nice fire pit over here, plenty of seating. The pool is closed for the season, but here's a look at the pool right here. They have all these nice rocking chairs out here covered with ceiling fans, so you can kind of look at the pool and the Ferris wheel. If you're here for New Year's, you can see the fireworks right from the rocking chairs right here. Here's a look at the hot food. They got the scrambled eggs, sausage links, and we got some potatoes down here on the end. On this side here, you got your cereals, you got your fruit, you got your eggs, and you have your waffle making stations over here as well. And here's the whole breakfast here. There's the hot items there. They got a fridge there with yogurt and milk in it, pastries there. And then you have your juice machine over here to the left. Alrighty, we are done with our stay here at Margaritaville Inn in Pigeon Forge at the island here. And Steph, what'd you think?
I like it. I like the whole chain, the whole Margaritaville, all of them, all the hotels. I would have to say out of all of them though, this is my least favorite. Not because there's anything wrong with it. It's a great hotel. I would just say there's a little less of the detail, the small details they put into the other resorts and hotels. But this one's very nice. It was very clean. The breakfast was good. It was free. I liked it. Yeah, for me, breakfast was just okay. Just your average kind of like Hampton Inn or like Holiday Inn type breakfast, but it is free with your stay. So that's, especially if you have kids or a large family, that could really add up quickly, especially up here to get a free breakfast. The sausage links taste like sausage balls, which is actually a good thing. I like sausage ball, like the biscuit kind of in there. That was actually good. Elevators were a little bit slow. There's only 2 here on up on the 7th floor. Yeah. So not a huge thing. It's just if you have to wait 5 minutes for an elevator, sometimes you're trying to get down to your car or something real quick. Otherwise, I like the hotel quite a bit. You know, I agree with Steph that probably my least favorite Margaritaville property so far, but nothing wrong with that. I would definitely stay here again. It's just like we can stay at the Island Hotel, we can stay at the Camp Margaritaville up here, and the Gatlinburg one. And the attention to detail is like way more. Now, I know this hotel here was not built originally for Margaritaville, so they kind of took it over and rebranded it. I think they did a really good job. It's just a lot of those small little details that that's like the Camp Margaritaville is one of our favorites because it's kind of minimalistic, but it still has a lot of the details. And then the Island Inn has the views there, but it's a pretty cool hotel. I would definitely stay here again. Staff has been fantastic. I like the views here. I like being on the parkway.
Yeah, right on the parkway.
Yeah.
And staff here has been great. It's a great staff. We slept great. You do hear the noise in the room some. It's not as bad as you would think it is, but if you hear some loud cars, you can't hear it. So if you have trouble sleeping, I wouldn't stay on this side. We love this view over here, and the noise wasn't too bad for us at all.
No, not at all.
But yeah, we definitely stay here again. Check it out. Yeah, it's right here at the island. You can walk to the island too, which is pretty nice.
That's a big perk.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's a long walk if you have to park in the island parking lot.
Yep, and parking's free too. So parking's free here. There's a few spots here in the main lot, and there's a lot kind of across the street, but not very far, where you park in a gated area, which seems pretty secure and well lit, right behind Paula Dean's. So all in all, I'd stay here again. Good hotel stay overall, and we are off to our next hotel stay, which will be the Gatlinburg Margaritaville. We got a very special room we're gonna have there next for our next day, and we'll have that video up as soon as we can. Maybe up before, so I'm not sure what's going up, but anything else?
No, I think that's it.
All right, the nerds are
out.